Are you a video creator who produces long live streams or long videos and you want to repurpose them into short videos so that you can expand your reach? If you're one of those video creators, then you're in the right place. My name is Irene Chan from Vidpros.com. I'm here to show you the easiest way to turn those long videos into short videos in no time. When you're turning long videos into short videos, there's actually a lot of work involved because first you have to watch the videos and identify which areas you need to cut, and people will be able to understand it without the whole video. So after deciding those clips, you have to actually do the editing, and then you'll have to add caption and add some design on it. So it could easily add a few more hours, which you already spent doing that, creating the long video in the first place. Luckily, there are now tools available, AI tools, that can turn this process into a few minutes. So in this video, I'm gonna turn a 45-minute video into a bunch of short clips using Opus Clip. So make sure to stay tuned until the very end, where we will discuss how to sign up for Opus Clip, how to upload your video, and how to make it your own by adding your branding, and how to download or share it in social media. But first, let's discuss what Opus Clip is. Opus Clip is a generative AI tool that basically turns your long live streams or long videos into short clips by analyzing the clips in your video that are more likely to go viral. On top of that, they automatically add caption and emojis in your video so that you have the best chances of making that video viral. So if you don't have an Opus Clip account yet, make sure to create one. It's super easy. You can create your account using your email address, or you can use your Google account. So since I already created an account, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue with Google and then choose the email that I used to log in. In order for you to create short videos out of your long videos, you have two options. One is you drop a YouTube link here and then get clips in one click. And next is you upload a video. In this video, I'm going to upload a 45-minute long video, so it might take a few more minutes before it uploads. All right, now that the video is done processing, we are gonna get clips in one click. For a long hour video, you can usually get about 20 to 25 short videos. You don't have to publish all of them. You can actually choose the best ones that you want to schedule into social media. Once you click get one clip, remember that there is still a processing and analyzing, and I still have to wait 28 minutes before I can choose the short clips that I want to publish. The good news is that I can safely leave this page, and what I usually do is I would go about and do my other stuff, and then I will get an email once it's done processing. So I did a bunch of stuff while waiting for it to process, and now I have an email notification that my clips are ready. So all I have to do is click on View Clips. So the next step of the process is choosing which videos I want to download and share on my social media channels. As you can see here, this first video has a 99 viral score. The video begins with an attention-grabbing hook, captivating viewers with the potential of smartphones for creators and business owners. Okay, let's see.
Because we hope that there are people that are working in the hospitality business that understand that device that is in our pocket, that smartphone that we take for granted, is the greatest tool that's ever been given to creators and to business owners. It's because it can connect you to people all over the globe, whatever your hopes and dreams are. What kind of advice do you have?
Look, take the action. You know what I mean? Like, you know that there's a better future for yourself, but you've got to decide what that better future looks like, whether that's creating content for your restaurant, whatever it is. Decide what that better future is, and then build the plan backwards from there to today.
That's a really good clip. I can either download this as it is, or I can edit it more just so I can be more precise of what I want to show. So the great thing about Opus Clip is that I can set when it starts and when it ends, just so I can be a bit more precise on how the video will play, and then start pursuing that plan and making the changes and adapting so that in the future, everything that you want your restaurant to be, your content to be, or anything in your life can come true. I think that's a good end. In general, I'll aim for no more than 30 seconds for my shorts.
What kind of advice do you have?
Look, take the action. You know what I mean? Like, you know that there's a better future for yourself, but you've got to decide what that better future looks like, whether that's creating content for your restaurant, whatever it is.
All right, so I'm satisfied with that start and end time. Now, what I'm going to do is choose the caption. You can publish this as it is, but if you want to customize it for more your brand, then you can choose a different caption here. And then you can even adjust the size. And the default is uppercase all text. So the next thing that you want to change as well is the font color. So again, you can just copy your hex color code here. And you can even adjust the thickness, font shadow. Personally, I don't edit all of this just because I'm not a designer and the default settings already look great. I do want to be able to check whether which one is good, like 3-line page or a 1-line. I think 3-line per page is good. So most of the time we just use auto as well, but just in case there are specific areas in the videos that I don't want to be covered by the text, I would just like put top or bottom. I wouldn't normally put it in the middle. I'll just put auto here. You can also add your logo if you want, but for now, I'm going to just keep it super simple. Another setting that I would play around with, depending on the type of your video, is the layout setting. So as you can see here, it automatically fills the screen. That's the default setting. But if you have a video that's more of a screen share, you can choose fit. And if you want to use split, you can do that too. But make sure that in the split, both of the people that are talking need to be in the same screen at the same time in the original frame. In this video clip that we have here, they're not on the same screen at the same time because the camera switches on whoever is talking. So for now, we're just going to use fill because that's already the best option. I can also add an auto intro caption if I want to add an intro text overlay to give viewers more context. So earlier what I did was change the start time and now the question becomes super short. So I'm going to turn this on so that people just have more context as to what is the question. And that is perfect because it doesn't make the video super long. And I personally love to add auto emojis just because it can actually provide more visuals and people stay longer watching the videos, but you can always turn it off depending on your branding. I'm actually very satisfied with how this turned out, the content and the branding. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save and compile. So I can go ahead and let that process and then check out other videos in the section that I can use. As you can see, the videos are arranged based on the highest score for virality. I would use that as a way to maximize my time choosing the videos, and I can ignore the ones that have a lower score. However, if there are topics that I know were discussed that will be great for our target audience, I would actually pick that even if it has a low score just because I know it's something that it would resonate to my specific target audience. So again, I can just either download that or edit it a bit more. So what's great about repurposing is even if you're on the go or you're busy or you're traveling, you'll have a bank of videos ready to be scheduled and published even if you're not actively recording. So now that this video is processed, I'm going to go ahead and just watch it again.
You know what I mean? You know that there's a better future for yourself, but you've got to decide what that better future looks like.
I definitely like how it's turning out because the answer is more profound than it originally was and it wasn't cut. So now I'm going to download this in HD, or I can use the share button to share it directly, but currently it's an upgrade feature. So I have to upgrade first in order to use that. If you already have a scheduling tool, then download it and then schedule it in your social media tool. Remember that these videos are always here for you. You can always go back to them if you want. Earlier, we have turned 45-minute video clip. Now what we're going to do is use a YouTube link to create short clips from that. So this is a video on entrepreneur.com's YouTube channel. This is the interview with Shawn. Make sure you have a permission to turn the long video into short clips. I wanted to show you how fast and easy it is if it's a live link and you just have to paste the YouTube link. And there are a few more things that you can ask the AI co-pilot so that you can be more precise of which areas the AI will cut. Personally, I like my videos to be less than 30 seconds because based on studies, the average shorts or reel that really works is around 16 seconds. And you can also identify keywords that you want the AI to pull from the video. So once you have the settings that you like here, you can go ahead and click on Get Clips in one click. Because this is a live link, there is less processing for the 45-minute clip that I had to upload from my local drive. It actually took almost 40 minutes for the entire thing to upload and process. All right, there you have it. That's how you use Opus Clip to turn long videos into short videos that you can publish anywhere. Do you have questions on how to use Opus Clips? Comment below and we'll be happy to answer them. Remember that Opus Clip is actually fairly new, but they are being used by more than 400,000 video creators and agencies worldwide. So they are working on adding more features. So by the time that this video is published, I'm pretty sure that there are already a ton of new features. So we will try to keep you updated in the comments below. Now, if you want to work with a real human video editor because you don't want to mess with AI tools, Vidpros.com is the solution for you. Go to Vidpros.com so you can learn more how it works. So make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get more tips on how you can maximize the results of your videos. My name is Irene Chan and I'll see you in the next video.